I'm going to show you how to read the input of a terminal to ask something for the user, and that the user is writing the answer in the input, and then we read the input. Here we have a very simple program where we declare a variable age, we define it, and then we use it. If I compile and run, in the output we have you are 17 years old. Good. Now I'm going to show you how, instead of defining with a fixed value here, I can ask the user, for example, for its age. And what I can do is do first a printf. What is your age? With a \n. And then I'm going to use something called scanf to scan the input. It looks like a little bit like the printf, so I have to put opening and closing parentheses, and I have to put quotes. And within the quotes, I will only put something very simple, what I want to read as a format. And I want to read a person D. And this person D, what I read in the input, I want to put it in the variable age. And to say that, we have to use a special character, ampersand. So ampersand and then age, without any space in between the ampersand and the name of the variable. And then let me finish with a semicolon. And that's how you read a value with a person D, and you put that value in this variable age with the special character ampersand here. So now I don't have to define it again, because I will get the value from the scanf, from reading the input from the terminal. Let's compile and run it to see. And you see in the terminal that there is the question, what is your age? And I have to input something, a value. Let's input 17 and then type enter. And as you can see, the printf, the last one, use the value of the variable that was just set by the scanf. And it says you are 17 years old indeed. So that's how you read with a scanf the input from the terminal. It's pretty much like the printf with the quotes here, but you don't put anything else than the person something that you want to read. And then you put the name of the variable with an ampersand, and that's pretty much all about it. If you want to define multiple variables, then you will use multiple scanf. So try it yourself, try to compile and run it yourself with your age to see if it works, and try to use it with another variable, for example.